Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today, I am just done making videos. I have just finished a clips series of videos for episode 14, and all of those clips are going to be scheduled out tonight to be uploaded during this week and next week. So I am kind of videoed out, to be honest. More importantly, just because I've been asked about this already and I have been reached out to about this in regards to the ezCater situation, as things are going to be moving forward. And we are still in the very early stages. This is still an early stage for the overall situation between ezCater, the RMDA, and everything else. I've decided I'm going to start to keep some of the more sensitive documentation off camera, or really only in my possession or in the possession of the proper legal professionals or any of the other professionals on this subject that I am working with on this. It's not me trying to hide anything. I don't want that to be misconstrued. I'm protecting the integrity of what I'm working on and making sure the right people see the right information through the right channels, especially since this is very likely to lead to a tortious interference case. I am committed to transparency for sure, but not at the expense of strategy. So going forward, you're going to get the facts. You're going to get progress. You'll get the updates on progress and the outcomes. But I don't want to give away what doesn't need to be public yet. We're going to keep this fight clean, focused, and effective. Because if anybody knows how legal things work in the gig economy, or really in any avenue of business or life, really, it doesn't matter if it's a civil case, a corporate case, a criminal case, what have you, legal stuff takes time. I have 2 active lawsuits right now, and I'm working on a third being this one. So it's not like I don't know what this is going to look like, or more appropriately, it's not like I am not prepared for what this will eventually look like. So until these things are at least move forward to the point where it's not going to really affect anything, I'm going to keep these kind of videos clean, focused, and effective. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated on this, especially since this is probably the most gig-focused lawsuit I've ever had to deal with. But yeah, that'll be that. So thank you guys so much for watching. No plugs today. This is a pretty serious topic, and until next time.